Hey there, everybody. I have taken all of these little folders out of my crafty binder, and I thought I'd show you what is in my folders today. I was going to try and flip through here, but the light is really glary on this beautiful elephant-inspired binder, and this is like a 1-inch binder, might be 1.5 inches, and this is just working out really great for me for this project. So let's see what we have in the binder. We have sketch and draw. This is a Tisha Moore sketch and draw. I love it. Basic drawing lessons for fun. Tisha Moore is just an inspiration, and I'll put a little link in the description box below so you can find out more about her. I think this lady is just my favorite. I cut some pieces of 70-pound drawing paper, and this will encourage me to draw and sketch. I wanted to sketch a few things to use in my Creative Freedom Planner. And I'm ready to do that now because, in 5 minutes I can pull this out. I can sit at my desk. I can take my handy dandy pen caddy, what do you call that thing? Pen caddy, and, just be ready to start. Be ready to go. So there we go. So first thing, sketch and draw. The next thing that I have in my book is trace and cut. And I will show you those little projects. If you guys were familiar, if you're OG and you remember me doing the start box way long time ago, it's kind of the same concept, only it's just in a binder. So we got trace and cut. I'm getting a lot of glare right there. This is a basic pocket. It's 7.5 by 2 3/4, and it's 1/4 inch from the top. So what I can do is just fold this out, trace it on paper, which I have paper in one of these packets as well. So I can just trace that out and bam, make myself a pocket. These are my things that I can trace, which I love. Love birds, love butterflies, love stars. This is another kind of pocket that I can cut and trace and cut, and be able to just fold together. Of course, in my pen bag, I do have glue, so I can glue that baby together and make myself some pockets. If you are into quick creating, man, this is like the thing for you. Next, we have substrates. These are small substrates. And I have like a very big variety in here. You saw me organize some of these elements from Kathy and Cody that they sent along in a recent Happy Mail. So I've got these in here. I've got a couple of these gorgeous coffee dyed tea tags. Those are from Cheryl. Thank you, Cheryl. Another little bit from Cody and Kathy. Thank you, Cody and Kathy. And now in here, and I just took snack bags, these snack bags, and was able to organize things in here. So I've got art trading coin blanks, I've got inchies, and I've got twinchies. And that just makes just this perfect little pile. Again, quick, easy, organized. I've got art trading cards in one of these little bags. I've got business card blanks in one of these little bags. I've got some really nice 3x5 index cards. Who doesn't love an index card, right? I have, let's see, what do I have right here? These are the size of tarot cards. So I wanted to just kind of try my hand at some tarot card making, or some inspiration card making, or at some spiritual card making, and I thought this size would be super excellent. I also have more substrates here that I can use for chippies, and that was my idea. I would just have a little bag that I can use for chippies. Of course, if you are paper crafting and you have a bunch of those little paper bits left, this is a great way to organize your paper bits, and then that way they don't get, they don't get relegated to a drawer or a bin and not used. So small substrates here. Put everything back. Images, because when we do collage or we do mixed media, we love to use images. So let's take these out and just take a quick look. These are also from Cody and Kathy. Cody picked out this awesome horse. I love him because he's got like this tint of blue here. Ducks, Saturday Evening Post, covers, more of that sticker right there. That should probably go in substrates, but oh well. And that's a word, so it probably shouldn't go right there. I'm going to pull those things out so I can recategorize them. But I love these. I think they're super, super cool. And we've got some ducks in flight, a vanilla bean, got the Tricks guy, the wabbit, the Tricks wabbit, a duck image, a heart, more ducks here, a nurse, small images here, small images here. And Kathy H. sent me this awesome envelope. She's so creative. She just really has a lot going on. And she sent me all of these images that I have in here. So let's just pull them out real quick. This is Miss Lauren Bacall, something in red. I like this because there are a lot of faces in here. And faces do make an excellent focal image. And there's her little note to me. She's so sweet. All right, so let's put these. Now, again, I've got words right here, so I need to recategorize that. This was born out of a need to create. I don't have a lot of time, and I don't have a lot of energy right now. Most of us are in that. Most of us are in that category, aren't we? I don't have time and I don't have energy, but I really want to do something. So we're going to put those things back in here. So we've got our images right here. Texture. Now these things should go in. It's magically delicious. Thank you, 51 and Happy. I appreciate that. These are actually substrates, so I'm just going to put those right there. Texture. You know, we talked about texture when we do collage or mixed media or clusters or whatever it is we're doing. Texture can be tactile, such as these holes in this strip of cardstock right here. So you've got tactile and you've got visual types of texture, tactile and visual. And I think it's really fun to work with both of them. So I put both of these kinds of things into my texture envelope. Makes it really easy to pull those things out and put them on a piece of mixed media, art trading card, a index card, or whatever it is I'm making. Also from Kathy and Cody, I have these awesome embellishments, and I love them, and I just think they're so cool. And I have to apologize that I am just now getting to things. It's been kind of a hectic year. But this envelope inspired me to make a plastic sleeve that says embellishments. We also have words, and you just saw me kind of take out some words here. So I'll refile those in this. I'm using sheet protectors that Chris had in his songbook that he kind of switched out. So there we go. We've got all our words in there. You know, we got some Tim Holtz ideology. Love, love, love that. Paper. You know, when we work with paper, sometimes we have just this big pile, and because you are culling things, you're going to have just a smaller pile of paper. So I've got paper as well as text paper here. So anything that kind of fell in that paper category went in this plastic sleeve. And then I've got some large substrates. I've got bookmark size substrates here. And then I did 4x6s. I've got a couple of those, and I did a 5x7. You know, you can make a piece of art, and you can go to the dollar store, and you can get a 4x6 or a 5x7 frame for $1 or $1.25 starting next year, and be able to frame your very own piece of art. And I think that that makes a wonderful gift, a wonderful memento when you can do something like that. So I hope you guys really enjoyed kind of taking a look at my plastic sleeve organization here in my crafty binder. I'm really looking forward to using all of this and being able to make some crafty and wonderful things to share with you guys. I hope that you'll play along. It's really, really, really fun. Thanks a lot, y'all. See you soon. Bye.